Okay, in this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to clean out an AC drain line. You know, I've tried to blow it out with an air compressor. That didn't work. We called the AC guy. He came over with a bottle of Freon. That didn't work. So I came up with an idea. Geez, what if we got an attachment that we can just take the plastic piece off right here. Hold on. Take the plastic piece off and put a fitting on it. We're going to put a water hose fitting on that plastic tube. And you'll see that I have the water fitting right here. And basically you can just run your hose over here, plug your hose in, and then we're going to take this fitting and we're just going to stick it inside the tube like that. And I got a nice little clamp. We're going to clamp it, and we're just going to take our hose and we're going to screw it onto there, and we're going to turn the water on and blow everything out of that tube. So I'll be back. Okay, so before we stick that brass coupling into the plastic hose, be sure to screw it onto your water hose first and then insert it into the plastic. That way you don't have to keep turning the hose. Be back in a second. Okay, as you'll notice, now it's connected to the plastic hose. We're going to take a screwdriver, we're just going to tighten that clamp up a little bit so that when we turn the water on, the water pressure will not start spraying all over the place. And that's it. That's how you do it. You go turn your water on, blow all the stuff out of the inside, and you're good for years. And there you go. You'll see that that drain is clean now. So, you know, once we take the hose off, just connect the PVC pipe, and you're ready to rock and roll. There you go.